Hey guys, Greg here, Underground Graphics. Again, we just did a little quick shoot on a Cliff's Bandit 392. We just installed the Oracle taillights on this. These are the new flush mounts. I'd say they're easy install. It's a little easy to get them out, get them back in, but if you've got the sensors, it's a little tricky to go through that. Oracle has provided a QR code to link you to their install video. Very easy to do if you follow that. Again, but we've done Cliff likes to go with that dark smoke look on these. So we have made a template, as you can see here, that's gonna go right over that red. I'm gonna show you how real quick how to do that. Again, just like with everything, when we wanna prep, a little bit of alcohol mixed with that water. I believe that's a 20-80 mix, or 30-70. I mean, really just wanna make sure this is clean, there's nothing on there. No wax, nothing like that. Again, these are fresh out of the box, so we did just wipe down the area of this real quick for them. And we're going to take that passenger side piece. And again, I like to do these dry. Some people like to do that wet. We just took a quick rubbing of this when we pulled this out of the box. So this is the first one we've done. But we're going to kind of just tack that back section there, get that lined up, and just go right to the edge. And this has got a little bit of flex in it, so if you want to stretch it a little bit, you can, but you want to get that as close as you can to that edge. There we go, and I want to tack that back. That little pen tool right there. And this is not air release, but again, if you just lay it lightly, you shouldn't have any issues, and if you do, you can just pop it up real quickly, lay that back down. And I don't want to put in the bevel on the inside. I just want to work on that outside piece. And if you notice that kit comes with a little bit of shape to it, a little bit of a bend on it. We did have to stretch this just a little bit. And again, I want to do that dry and just kind of work that out to follow that outside line. Once you get that straight, just a light tack, and it should end up right where that's right on the back side. And so there we've got that one done. We need to come up a little bit again. You can. Now I just want the face of that. I'm going to leave that bevel for the heat gun. So I don't want to tack all this just yet. I got a little bit done there, so I can actually pull this back up a little bit. Sorry for that wind noise, folks. It's rainy here in Houston. Now let's hit that top one, and again, just kind of follow that top line. You may have to kind of give it a little bit of a push. I'm using my thumb on that. And then we can go back with that heat gun. Doesn't take much. You just want to soften that edge and that inside. And a little bit over on that edge there. And again, if you want to pull that up, you can relay it again, or you can trim it or just leave it. It's really, really tight tolerance there. But these sections there in the middle, that's where I want to just warm that up. Use my thumb to lay that in. Lay that in. You can go back with that squeegee or even your thumb and just push the rest of that back in. And you can use a hard squeegee. We are going to provide you with a little small square plastic squeegee. And don't worry about those little squeegee marks on this material. It will heat out. And if you get any small bubbles in this, again, you can use a little blade or just a little pin. I've got a little small one there. Just hit that in the side and roll that out. Another small one there. Hit in the side, roll that out. Again, if you want to do this wet, you can. I think this dry method is just fine for something this small. I think we got all that. Yeah, that is that easy. Additionally, we'll probably offer this overlay square for that. Wouldn't recommend doing it, but some people like to do that full look on that, so we'll have that in there as well. You guys have any questions, just give us a call, undergroundgraphics.com. You can leave a message or email, and again, call. We're always here by phone. Talk to you guys later. Thank you.